The 2018 Hyundai Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, clock, side airbag, tachometer, intermittent wipers, power outlets, power mirrors, rear view camera, vanity mirrors, cup holders, tire pressure monitor. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.